Is there anyone in the 310 area code that you have not mounted?
We went out a couple of times. She assumed it was an exclusive thing, and when she found out it wasn't, she got a little upset. Anyway, Tommy seems like a real nice guy. I'm very happy for you. Good night.
Charles, you are not going anywhere. This man is very important to me. Now, we are going to have a nice dinner. You are going to be charming, and Tommy will remain oblivious to the fact that you defiled his daughter.
Hey, she wasn't exactly filed when I met her.